Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In the previous video I showed you how to implement the account suspension. I had some comments. One is I use filament with Livewire, which also I use here filament with Livewire, but maybe the comment was how to protect the filament admin panel from if the user is suspended so cannot access that. And another one was the use middlewares, and I'm going to show you in this video. So right now I'm going to sign in this project with a test example which this user is suspended. If I click suspend, if I click here, yeah, your account has been suspended. But if I navigate on the admin panel, so let's navigate admin and sign in with this. Now here we can visit the admin because we are not checking if the user is suspended or not. For that, let's open the WinServe, and I'm going to open the user model, and here we can say implement the filament user, and yeah, we need to import the filament user, and then we need to create a method down there, public function can access panel. We need also to import the panel from the filament, which returns a boolean. So this can access panel function return boolean, and I'm going to return if this is suspended is not true. Okay, because if the user this is suspended, if I go up, return boolean, and if the user is suspended, it's going to return true, but I want here to be false, so cannot access that panel, because here if we return true, this means can access the panel. Okay, now let's open the browser, and if I refresh, we have 403 forbidden. Good, we protect. Now also if I change the URL to /admin/user, yeah, we have 403. Good. Next is to create a middleware and apply the middleware on the routes. So let's open the terminal, and I'm going to create a middleware here. I'm going to name it ensure user is not suspended, the middleware. I'm going to hit enter, and now let's open the WinServe. Let's close this, open the ensure user is not suspended, and yeah, here we need to make some changes. First, I'm going to check if auth check. I'm going to redirect, and yeah, we have here if auth check. Let's import this auth from Illuminate facade, and if the user is not authenticated, we return redirect to the route login. But this route is going to be implemented after the auth middleware, but in any case is here to check that. Then what to say user to be auth user, and if we have the user and the method exists in the user, this is suspended method, so we're going to check first if that exists. If that exists, also we're going to check if the user is suspended, which is going to return true. If that is true, then log out, session invalidate, regenerate, and then return redirect route login with errors, email on the email your account has been suspended. So this is if the user is suspended, otherwise we just return to the next request. Okay, I'm going to close this. I'm going to open now the app inside the Bootstrap, and not like this, but here let's say $middleware first, and use alias for that, add an array, and yeah, we can say not suspended, the name not suspended, like this if you prefer. First let's import the middleware, and you can name it not suspended like this, or yeah, let's name it not dot suspended. Or I prefer to use active user. So the user is active, so active dot user. I prefer this alias for this middleware. Now let's open the web routes just to check, just to test this. Let's generate a route here. So our route get, and I would say /active add the function and return. I don't have a view, but I'm going to return just a string to say active, like this. We don't need the name, but anyway. Now let's check this route first, and then after we can apply the middleware. But first let's open the browser. We are forbidden because we are not, we are suspended. But if I open the active, yeah, we have active right here. So we can access this route. But if I apply the middleware active user, and as I told you, I prefer this active user to be implemented after the auth. Okay, so we have auth, then we have the active.user. But also if we just move the active user, we have that check. So if I open, ensure that is not suspended, we have this check. So if the user is not authenticated, we return redirected the route login. Otherwise, here and return your account has been suspended on the route. Now let's see, if I refresh, we redirected the login, and as you can see, your account has been suspended. But as I told you, I prefer to have the auth also here. And let's do the same thing for the dashboard. We have the middleware auth and verified. I want to add also the active user there on the dashboard. So right now, if I open the dashboard, first we need to go to admin, just to log in, admin. And yeah, first also let me just open here the user, and let's return true here for now to leave that user test example assign in. And now if I open the dashboard, we return back your account has been suspended. Let's return also this one. And right now we have applied the active user on the dashboard, also on this active, and yeah, let's apply also on this one. Okay friends, this is how you can implement the suspended also on the admin panel and with the middleware. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.